Hello, welcome to English for Construction. Today we're going to learn 5 more new words. And let's get started with the day number 19, finishing work. Okay, let's play. Plastering. To plaster a surface or an object with something is to cover it completely or thickly. Two plasterers are plastering the walls.
Paint.
Paint. To cover the surface of something with paint as decoration or protection. I'll need to paint over these dirty marks on the wall.
Gypsum.
Gypsum, a hard white substance that is used in making plaster of Paris. Gypsum board is used as the finish for the walls. Dropped ceiling is a secondary ceiling hung below the main structural ceiling. Dropped ceiling reduces headroom.
Fixture.
Fixture is a piece of equipment that stays attached to a house or other building. All fixtures and fittings are included in the house price. Plastering. Paint. Gypsum. Dropped ceiling. Fixture. Two plasters are plastering the walls. I'll need to paint over these dirty marks on the wall. Gypsum board is used as the finish for the walls. Dropped ceiling. Dropped ceiling reduces headroom. All fixtures and fittings are included in the house price. Okay, wonderful. Remember to watch this video again and again and share with your friends, then improve together. And remember to click subscribe button below to learn more about English for construction. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Enjoy. Bye bye.